Good morning to all. Hope you all are good. Now, today's new topic is judiciary, and I already sent the PPT on your WhatsApp group. Go through with that one. Now, for your mind map, what we will study in next few days. This is here. First question: what is judiciary? We have three organs of the government: legislature, executive, and judiciary. Now, judiciary is the most important part from the beginning of the ruling formation in any part of the world. First thing, work of judiciary. There are several work, but for class 8, these three work: dispute resolution, judicial review, upholding the laws, and enforcing fundamental rights, which we studied previously. First, dispute resolution. Now, situation: if two students fight in class, and the first thing they do, they complain to whom? They complain to class captain. If the matter is not solved by the class captain, then they move towards class teacher. If the matter is not solved by the class teacher, then they move towards principal sir's room. So similarly, we are having court structure. Imagine that your class captain is district court, your class teacher is high court, and the principal sir is Supreme Court. So the last decision is taken by the Supreme Court, and everyone have to follow. Similarly, in the court structure, district court, high court, and Supreme Court, this is the three-layer structure in our country. Dispute resolution, the first work is that dispute resolution. For example, two persons fight on any issue. How can we solve this? For that, we require judiciary. If government pass a proposal which is not appropriate for the citizen of the nation, then judicial review. Court take the decision. Then for individual, for my sake, for your sake, for the sake of your family members, we require upholdings. Upholding our fundamental rights. We are having 6 kinds of fundamental rights: right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational right, right to constitutional remedy. So for the sake of all these rights, we require judiciary. Any doubts, students? Okay. If you are not having any doubt, now we move further. There are two branches of judiciary: criminal law and civil law. Criminal law, as it suggests with the name, crime. Murder, theft, dowry, harassing, these all are the criminal laws. Remember this thing, students. Nowadays, students are taking the online classes and making fun of others. It's appropriate to know about the cyber crime. and cybercrime is a criminal crime. Section 61A, B and C, that is harassment, mental harassment. If you are commenting on anyone, for teacher, student or anybody other in your chat box or giving any other thing to anyone, it is offensible crime. It is in criminal law, and you have to pay the compensation of 10 lakh rupees along with jail. So students, criminal means if we damage the image of any person, if we damage the image of any person, it is in criminal law. Theft in criminal law, murder in criminal law, harassing in criminal law. So these all are criminal laws. And second branch, civil laws, dispute of the family, divorce, land dispute. These all are administrative disputes. These all are in civil law. Now, these structures, and now the most important thing, PIL, Public Interest Litigation, 1980. What is PIL? If a person feels the government is not working or he wants to raise the voice of any case, he can introduce the case through PIL, Public Interest Litigation. How many of you found of movies? किस किस को मूवीज देखना पसंद? In this way, the three works which we remember: dispute resolution, judicial review, and upholding the laws and enforcing fundamental rights, structure of courts, district court, high court, supreme court, kind of laws, criminal laws and civil laws. Although we are having several laws apart from these two, for example, Hindu law, Muslim law, torts, environmental law, and many others. But generally, we categorize in two parts: criminal law and civil law. I hope you all understand the concept and the mind map of this chapter. Any doubt, student?